When I got accepted for the workshop, I was incredibly excited because I knew how competitive it was. And the actual workshop has far exceeded my expectations. It's been really fantastic. I came into this workshop with a really selfish view of what I wanted to get out of it in my own leadership style and how I can improve personally. And I've come away with a much more holistic view from the team and how holistically and overall in Woodside we can improve and work together.
What surprised me most was all of the different groups within this Perth workshop, just the involvement we had from day one. Everyone spoke up, spoke respectfully, we shared a lot of knowledge. It wasn't like your normal sort of workshops where people are sitting back quiet. There's a lot more involvement from the start. Main takeaways from this, just the way the group interacted with each other and the way that we're all discovering ourselves on this journey. I'm learning a lot about myself that I didn't really know about.
Throughout this workshop, I have learned that there are many factors in my work and personal life that I can influence, and doing these circles of influence was really positive for me in breaking that down and making that more realistic and digestible. Through my interactions with my colleagues in Workshop 1, I have really felt empowered to go back into the office and stand up more and create change where I can. My main takeaways from Workshop 1 have been the unity that we have in the office and on site and how that can be improved. I'm really excited to take that back into my role and see where I can make improvements.